Welcome back to another episode of Plan Your 2019. Today what we're going to do is to decide your one little word. Ali Edwards has been doing one little word for so many years, and every year I pick a word. And it's basically a theme for your year. It's something that keeps you going, keeps you motivated. It's a word that's almost a goal for you throughout the year to keep you focused on what you want for the year. Words I've picked in the past are nurture, connect, treasure, and I haven't come up with one this year, but I find that the word, it almost comes to me, or it almost like it chooses me. I know that's kind of weird and woo-woo, but it's just a word that it tends to just be there during November and December, and then I'm like, okay, that's my word for the next year. I was trying to decide between two words one year, and I couldn't. I wasn't sure which one I should go with, and I was in an elevator. We went to the Canary Islands for Christmas, and I was in the elevator, and one of the words I was trying to choose between was connect, and there in the elevator was connect to go to another building, but in Spanish, and I'm like, okay, well, that's my word. And it was late December, and I was not stressed, but like, I gotta figure out which word to use, and there it was the elevator that told me which word to choose. Smart elevator. Below I'm going to link to Ali's blog where she has a list of words that you can either choose from or use those words to sort of inspire your own word. She also has a year-long class. I don't know if it's up again this year, but I will link that if it is. As for me, I haven't actually chosen my word yet. I have a few that I'm thinking of, but I haven't narrowed it down to my one little word. The words that I'm thinking of for 2019 are brave, joy, teach, enthusiasm, flow, and wonder. So I'm going to keep my eyes and ears open and see which word jumps out and wants to be my word for 2019. So let me know in the comments below either what word you've already chosen or if you have a short list of ones you've narrowed down. If you missed the first episode of Plan Your 2019, don't forget to check out the playlist, and I'll keep adding them there. If you ever miss a day, you can check it out there. So that you don't miss a day, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell and give this video a big thumbs up. Alright, I will see you tomorrow, and I will see you again on Friday for the next episode of Plan Your 2019. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.